Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, Right1 Assembly LLC, and the name is Fred or Righteous. Today, we're excited to share with you our passion for installing all kinds of gazebos. Now, we know that gazebos come in all shapes and sizes, and we love the challenge of bringing your vision to life. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot to relax or a stunning backdrop for your next party, we're here to help. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to ensuring that your gazebo installation is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. We take pride in our work and strive to exceed your expectations. So if you're in need of a gazebo installation, don't hesitate to give us a call 571-778-492. We'd be more than happy to discuss your project and provide you with a free quote. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor living spaces, specifically gazebos. Gazebos are a fantastic way to enhance your outdoor living experience. They provide a cozy and shaded area for you to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the great outdoors. With a variety of designs and styles to choose from, you can easily customize your gazebo to match your personal taste and style. Whether you're looking for a traditional wooden gazebo or a more modern and contemporary design, there's a perfect option out there for you. Not only do gazebos add beauty to your outdoor space, but they also provide a practical and functional area for your family and friends to gather. So if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor living area, consider adding a gazebo to your list. We are also located in the DMV area, and we're ready to take on all kinds of installation or assembly projects. Whether you're looking to install a new TV, assemble a piece of furniture, or tackle any other home improvement project, we've got you covered.